We're excited to start this partnership with SOLLID ENVII Cabinetry. This is an American-made, in Arizona, best product that you can find in this market today. This is a great quality of exactly what you need. 100% custom manufacture that will give you anything you need. From frame cabinets to frameless cabinets to inset cabinets. You want it? We got you. You want it? We'll come to your house. We'll measure everything and we'll make you the perfect design with anything you need. Any finish, any style door, anything you want. Slim shaker, flat, whatever you want, we can make it happen. We will make your kitchen look gorgeous.